हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है अभिषेक और मैं आ गया हूँ एक नए ब्लॉग के साथ।
ले फिर आ गए। तेरे को क्या लगता था कि नहीं लौटेंगे? गलत।
तो फिलहाल आप देख सकते हैं मैं अभी खड़ा हूँ एक 3D प्रिंटिंग स्टूडियो में। तो हम आए हैं 3D प्रिंटिंग स्टूडियो विजिट करने फ्रेम बॉक्स के द्वारा। काफ़ी शांति है गाइस यहाँ पे। हेलो ब्रो, हेलो ब्रो, मैं आया हूँ तुम्हें किडनैप करना।
दुकान कितने अपनी बिकॉज आए हैं वो डैगर गिरेगी।
सो गाइस हम जा रहे हैं बैंक लूटने,
एक
वो
चाकू और
वो भी फ्रेम बॉक्स का।
यस उनका बैंक भी है।
हमारी फी कहीं तो जाती होगी ना।
हाँ
fun part is even this is a 3D print.
लुक लाइक अ ग्लास।
आई गेस शाइन करो उसको पूरा।
No,
फील भी आ रहा है ग्लास का।
there are also few materials
जो ऐसे
transparent. So you can also 3D print these things. Plenty of different types of materials where you can print from rubber to even stronger materials. See, even this looks hard, but actually it is a softer one. So you can mold this. So even this is a 3D print as well.
गाइस इसकी डिटेलिंग आप देख सकते हैं, इतनी डिटेल्ड प्रिंट है। नाइस वन।
मेंडो
सर ये सर हेलमेट वाइट
अरे वो आर्मर लेके आना, वो आर्मर लेके आना जल्दी। ड्रेस 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 अच्छा लगेगा। सूट्स ऑन यू। पहनना। वीडियो आ गया, टेंशन मत लो, थोड़ा ऊपर।
So he works on all the designs and he'll be our person today. He's going to let us know about the company, the things that they have here. So this is Sanjay.
Yeah, hi.
हेलो सर।
Yeah, this is Anil. Actually, this company was started in 2016 by Kamal is the founder actually. Actually, they started this company for manufacturing the 3D printers. This is hot end. This is the nozzle actually. So if you see here, they will mention the nozzle diameter and everything. 0.4. So if you heat the material from this tube, you will come into this hot end. This one we can increase the temperature up to 300 degrees. Depending on the material, we have to keep the temperatures. For example, if you are using PLA, you have to maintain some 210 to 220. And if you are using for other high grade materials, PETG, you can go to 250. And the ABS, you can increase up to 270. And this is a heat bed. So this will also vary the temperature depending on material. So PLA means you can use 60 degrees only. PETG means you have to give 80 and ABS 100 degrees. So while printing, no one can touch this. It is very hot. It will harm. This is AMS. If you are using this AMS, then only you can use the 4 tips. Otherwise, single one. This is multicolor printer.
4 tips means we can use 4 color filaments.
Color filaments, yes. So depending on fully our G code actually. We have only one software, Bamboo Studios. If you import your 3D model, you give some parameters, infill density, temperature and bed temperature, layer height. If you give that one, it is automatically generate the G code. If you give that G code, it will print the model. Some printed model. Because all models actually we printed on this one only. And big one Lofi is also there, right? That also we printed in small machines only. Yeah.
How much it's take time to complete one model?
No, it's depending on size and complexity.
Around 10 to 12 centimeter miniature.
9 to 10 hours it will take miniature means on this one.
So, setting up the temperature, right?
Yes.
Setting up the temperature is based upon
Material.
the stiffness of the material and everything, right? Or it's a mandate you have to follow the protocol?
No, for every material they will give some temperatures. You have to follow them.
It depends upon the material.
Yeah. If you are using PLA, they give some temperatures, bed temperature and printing temperature they give. If you are using ABS, they will give different temperatures. So PLA basically we are using for indoor purpose only. We are going to export the model outside. How to go for PETG or ABS.
As a beginner, which printer you suggest?
One only.
This one.
This is low cost, good maintenance, less maintenance also.
Guys, cameraman को आगे आने दो. Side hito. I am the first priority.
This is desktop SLA. And that one, the printing is coming from bottom to down, right? Here it will print reverse orientation. Yeah, and there you are using elements. Why? Here you will use liquid actually.
Oh, liquid printing.
You see, resin is inside. So you can see that laser actually.
That's resin.
It's laser.
It's a laser.
UV light actually. So if you are generating that model actually. So this first layer is just small round one. That entire UV light it won't generate. Only small circle UV light only it will generate. Wherever the printing has to come, there only it will project the UV light. Remaining every area is dark. So like that it will come printing the model actually. So this one also printed in single shot actually. This one only for test print. If you see inside that liquidation, you can see inside liquid. That is almost 250 liters capacity. Maximum, not minimum. 250 liters capacity. So that we can do pour it in one time only. We can't do cleaning and everything in regular.
Laser cutting machine.
Laser cutting. All these three technologies we will combine and do the project actually.
So most of it will be acrylic sheets, right? For the laser cutting surface. They depend on acrylic sheets.
Yeah, 8 up to 8 mm thickness we can
Yeah.
website is only for 2D. 3D means they have to stack it. That's it. 2D and they have to stack it.
So guys, इससे सिर्फ 2D से प्रिंट हो सकता है, नॉट 3D. हमारे लिए कुछ खाने के इंतज़ाम है जो अभी मैं खा नहीं सकता हूँ, बाद में मिलेगा लेकिन ज़रूर. समीर शर्मा आ गया. गाइस अब हम जा रहे हैं अंदर. लेट्स गो. फिर से एसी में आ गए गाइस.
Comes to 3D printer, it will copy the 3D model. So whatever the model we scan, it will come into this 3D model plate. For example, if you want to create a one character, so any volunteer can.
चो.
It won't scan the black body, the black area, it won't scan. And if it is in glossy finish also, it won't scan. So you can directly import this model and you can start print also. If you go for high-end models, it will scan black also.
How much this cost?
This cost around 10 lakhs.
Only this.
It is imported from China. No, India it is not available. If we have any service scheme also, we have to send back to China.
कौन सा चूज़ करूँ? यस. कौन सा चूज़ करूँ? बिग वन. ये बुक कर. पहले ही ख़त्म कर दिया. बहुत गर्मी है गाइस. अब मैं बैठूँगा कूलर के पास. गाइस सुकून का नाम सुना है? लेट मी शो यू. अबे यूटर्न कैसे होता है? छोड़ गाइस, नहीं दिख रहा है. ये देखो सुकून. ये बंदा नहीं, इसके पीछे वाला कूलर. नया सब्सक्राइबर मिला है. तो गाइस हम सबको एक गिफ्ट मिल रहा है. गोकू. क्या कहना चाहोगे जनता को?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था जनता. बहुत कूल था ये, जो कि हम दिखा नहीं सकते हैं आपको।
अरे हाँ, नहीं दिखा सकते हैं। आप लोग हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ें मिस कर देते हो, क्योंकि वो चीज़ मैं दिखा नहीं सकता आपको। वो
दिखा रहा है अभी।
ओह सॉरी। सो गाइस, अब हमारा विज़िट होता है ख़त्म। हमारी हालत हो चुकी है ख़राब गर्मी से। तो हम आपको मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टाटा, सी यू।
और इस तरफ है तो इस तरफ समय और थोड़ा गौरव इस तरफ। हाँ देख ये फोड़ा